Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Norman. I have a Golf Gti 1.8 turbo. In my passenger side wheel well, there is water. I've checked the sunroof drains back and front. They're okay. I've checked under the pollen filter. Seems to be water there, and I was wondering how do I clean it to stop this from happening again. If you can give me any comments in the post or any tips, I'll be most grateful. And uh, and I will put a video up shortly, hopefully, in the next couple of days of how I can resolve this problem that I'm having with my Golf GTI. Thank you.